Good morning, class. In last class, we were discussing about the test of fat, test of protein, and test of starch. Now we will discuss about what do various nutrients do for our body. Not only protein, fat, and minerals are essential. There are other components of nutrients which are essential for our body. Now we will study about that. Carbohydrate mainly provide energy for our body. Fat also gives us energy. In fact, fat gives much more energy as compared to carbohydrates. Now, the of food that contain proteins are known as body building food. So you just underline this line. This is very important line, that the food containing proteins are often called as bodybuilding food. New vitamins also protect our body against diseases. This you all know, as vitamins can be helpful for our body to be strong teeth, to make strong bones, gums, eyes, healthy eyes, and many more. Now there are different components of vitamins which you known as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and K. These are also grouped as vitamins called as vitamin B complex. See, not only this, except this, a vitamin complex also is present, by which you can denote it as vitamin B1, vitamin B2, and up to vitamin B12. These vitamins are present. So when only B categories is called as B complex. Okay, our body need different types of vitamins in small quantity. I am not saying that vitamins are needed for our body for large quantity. It can be present in the food in small quantity, which is enough for our body. Vitamin A keeps our skin and eyes healthy. Vitamin C fight against the diseases. Vitamin D help our body to grow calcium for the bones and teeth. They make our bone and teeth stronger. Foods rich are vitamins are given in the figure. You can detect them. See, source of vitamin A are milk, fish oil, papaya, and many more. Carrot. Okay. Source of vitamin B, these are pulses, rice, and fruit and vegetables come in vitamin C, and meat sources and milk come in vitamin D. And one of the most important source of vitamin D can be sun also. Okay, sun also provides us vitamin D. For the proper growth of a human body or our body, maintaining a good health, there is a minerals also play such an important role to maintain our body. Not only usually food items that have nutrients, you should notice that some of the observation in the table 2.1, therefore it rich in minerals, means that when you know that protein, minerals, or carbohydrate, fat, proteins, if the food is rich in such a amount that it can gives us healthy growth and healthy development, you should uptake them. And if some foods that contain only fat or only carbohydrate, which are over extra for our body, it can also provide a harmful effect, such as if you uptake fat in large amount, then it can be harmful for our body. See what happen when we uptake lots of amount of fat, it just gets stored in our body, and when it gets stored in our body, we just become more fat and fat and fat. So we should know that what to take and how much amount should be of food that can help us for the immunity booster or our body growth. Okay.